All right, we are here with Michael McLean from Dominion SureSeal. How are you tonight, Michael?
Very good, thank you.
So could you tell us more about the products that Dominion SureSeal's got showcased here at CCIF Toronto?
Dominion SureSeal today has everything to do with aerosols. We deal with a lot on the 3-to-1s, one-steps, everything in the market for primers and repairs. Then we have box liners. That's one of the newest things we brought out this year. We brought out Shake and Shoot, which we've had a lot of years, but we've increased and changed on the formula.
Awesome.
A little bit more VOC compliant, and we've thrown in, right there, we've thrown in a gun with it now as well.
Oh,
it's
cool.
not something we offered before, so that's new for us.
What made Dominion SureSeal want to go that far?
A lot of times we're getting clients and customers were calling up and asking for a particular shoots gun. They didn't know where to source it. Some would find it in different jobbers, different locations. So we found the best way to do it, and also it meant you had to have the right size nozzle for going inside of it. So the best way to do it, we just put it inside of it, and that question never came up again.
Awesome.
It was a common question.
That's great. So we just started a new year. It's 2020 now. Do you have any predictions for trends or in the industry, whether it be products, some sort of disruptions that might come up, anything like that?
A lot of us were talking about that tonight. New car sales have really dropped. We've noticed that, which means that we're going to start seeing more of a trend, I feel anyways, towards small repairs and taking care of the old used cars.
Yeah.
A lot of them now, since we have the new laws of VOCs, we can't really use a lot of the chemicals out there. Aerosols have really answered that for us now. And they do a great job of doing small repairs.
Awesome.
So that's the future that I see, is a lot of small repairs.
So Dominion SureSeal's kind of going that way right now?
That's the focus. That's the direction we're trying to push in.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking to us tonight. It was a pleasure.
Thank
Have
you.
a great night. That's really neat.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.